slow living can be life-giving, although we might disagree. If most our lives are lived in black and white, it makes the gray so hard to see. The same old people, the same old steeples on every corner for half a mile. But nothing changes, and ain't it strange that we didn't notice as a child that slow living can be life-giving, although we might disagree. If most our lives are lived in black and white, it makes the gray so hard to see. Living in a dry state where we all say grace, buying liquor on a Sunday across the county lines, where the raindrops rolling off the rooftops, making the clouds stop for just a little while. Oh, slow living can be life-giving, although we might disagree. If most our lives are lived in black and white, it makes the gray so hard to see. Sitting on the porch steps in the town where we met, after the sun sets on a Friday night. Southern fireflies lighting up the night sky, lucky to realize one more time that's slowly. And in these bones true love abides. The glory of the olive sky burns bright in me till the day I die. And I will hold you in my heart. I will hold you in my heart. And I will keep you in my thoughts. The land that time forgot. These castle walls hold mysteries, and the piper plays with dignity. Cry or dance quietly in the cloud. Dance we did till the sun went down. And I will hold you in my heart. I will hold you in my heart. And I will keep you in my thoughts. The land that I forgot.
Let's take our time now. Nobody likes an avalanche when it's falling on best laid plans. And I wanna love you just like I did when I was young. For the world went and pulled out the rug. It was cold on the night you were born, but I kept you away from the storm. swept